Just took delivery of this earlier. Ordered this off the internet from GX Autosport, and there's the giveaway. A nice package from Airtec, based in the UK, Airtec Motorsport. They mainly deal in intercoolers for various cars. Just to let you know that you're getting the genuine Airtec intercooler. There's a lot of copies of these going around, so you've got to be careful what you do. These are very well packed as well. I'll just lift that up and put that to one side. As you can see, they're packed with these like this like foam packaging. I want to get all this out and I'll show you what this intercooler looks like. So that's how it comes with all that packaging on, and as you can see, it's very well packed and well sealed. And you know, they've got these inlet and outlet holes covered over. So I'm going to get out the bag and we're going to have a good look around this. So here we have the Airtec intercooler. For this particular one is for the BMW 335 diesel XDRIVE. You can see it's really well made. This is just showing you the back of it. This part of the intercooler here, this box section here, is basically what is removed from the original one on the car. It comes off just like this. This is basically what you get, only it's a lot smaller. So it doesn't have this extra fin on the front, this extra piece on the front. I'll show you that just now because I've had that custom painted for the car, which is what Airtec do. So basically this is the intercooler. This section of the intercooler here is basically what your old one looks like when you take it out, and it's a little bit smaller than this. In fact, it's a lot smaller. So this section of this intercooler is around 72% larger than the one that comes out, and obviously you've got this section which is obviously 90 to 100% larger because it doesn't have this front section on. But as you can see, all the welds are absolutely bang on. All the welds are nice and clean. I'll just try and show you as best as I can. You know, the welds are not too bad. You know, these are the end tank welds. You know, it's nicely finished off, and like I say, you've got a solid one piece end tank. It's all one piece. Okay. Basically we'll turn it around and we'll have a look at the top here. Alright, so there you've got the Airtec ID sticker, Airtec Motorsport. You have a three-year warranty with this intercooler, as long as this remains on the intercooler. It's like a metallic, like a metal sticker that. And there you've got the guy's name who's inspected it for the quality control. Then you've got like another hologram sticker there, which is just like I guess it's like a genuine authentic product for Airtec. Like I say, there's several of these copied, so you do have to be careful what you're doing. And Also, you've got embossed into the top of the tank the name Airtec and the logo here. Okay, now for the front, we come round to the front and we've got this extra fin here. Now, the standard 335 diesel or 320, doesn't matter what model you have, they're practically more or less the same intercooler. They don't have this frontal section here. This is extra. This is why I've bought this upgraded intercooler. And Airtec offer a painting service for to have the logo put on. You go on the website and it does show you a white BMW F30, which has the white Airtec logo. This will sit down at the bottom of the grille, but I opted for like a metallic grey, and this is the metallic grey. And like I say, the welds again, it's, you know, it's nicely welded. Yeah, but it'll be getting installed on the 24th of January, and it you know, it has a nice finish to it as well. You know, it has a nice powder coat finish to it. It's really well made. I have to say, I've seen other intercoolers, and sometimes you look at the welds and you think, my God, they're a little bit rough. But I have to say, after talking to quite a few of the Ford guys who run these on the STs and RSs and whatnot, they seem to be happy with them, you know, running decent amounts of boost. And like, as I say, the quality is absolutely bang on. What more could you want? So what I'm going to do is, after the 24th, I'll do another video once it's installed and see what it looks like behind the front bumper of the car. But yeah, this is it, the Airtec intercooler, the uprated version for the BMW F30. This one is, in particular, is going on my 2013 335 diesel XDRIVE, which I've currently got at stage 1. I'm looking at possibly taking it to stage 2, but I mean, I should have had this done before I got it to stage 1, but I didn't, so it's going to go on and possibly get remapped to see if we can get a little bit more boost out of it, you know, with it running a lot cooler, denser air, and see what happens. So there you go, guys, Airtec intercoolers.